Hello friends, in this class of chemistry I will discuss you about chemical properties of alkanes. These are the reactions that will come in this board exam for class 10th 2021. These are the reactions which will come in a board exam and the rest of the reaction are deleted. First, chemical property of alkane. It is known that alkane undergoes substitution reaction, in which first we'll discuss chlorination of methane. Addition of chlorine in presence of sunlight or UV rays is known as chlorination of methane. जैसे हम देख सकते हैं कि मीथेन का फॉर्मूला CH4 है, CH4 plus Cl2 in presence of ultraviolet rays. Substitution reaction takes place in which an atom of hydrogen is replaced by chlorine. Thereby, the product CH3Cl and HCl are formed. CH3Cl, on the removal of one hydrogen, one Cl will take its place, forms chloromethane. Now, if you take chloromethane again plus chlorine, the same condition as UV rays or diffuse sunlight, again one hydrogen will replace the chlorine atom to form CH2Cl2. Hydrogen will reduce and chlorine atom will get increased. Plus HCl. Its name is dichloromethane. Di means two chlorine are there. Again you will take CH2Cl2, the product of this second reaction, plus chlorine. Remove this hydrogen by chlorine, you will get CHCl3 plus HCl. Its name is trichloromethane because there are three chlorine atoms and its common name is chloroform. Finally, CHCl3 plus chlorine on treating gives H and Cl combined to form HCl, and this hydrogen will be replaced by chlorine atom. You will get CCl4. Now all the hydrogen are replaced by chlorine atom. Hence substitution reaction of methane is completed. This final product is named as tetrachloromethane. Similarly, you can do this reaction of ethane plus bromine. You can take bromine, chlorine, anyone you are provided in the exam. Process will be same. Remove one hydrogen and put one bromine atom in that place. The first product you will form is C2H5Br plus HBr. Its name is monobromoethane. C2H5Br plus Br2 treated to form, again H will get reduced, C2H4 and one bromine atom will get increased plus HBr. This is dibromoethane. Similarly, C2H5Br2, the product of second reaction plus Br2, फिर से एक H remove करेंगे, then you will get C2H3Br3 plus HBr. Next C2H3Br3 plus Br2 gives C2H2Br4 plus HBr. This is tetrabromoethane. Tetra क्यों लगाया गया? Because there are 4 bromine atom. For 4 bromine, tetrabromo, 2 carbon, ethane. C2H2Br4 again react with excess quantity of bromine in same condition as UV rays to form, again H will replace by bromine atom to form C2HBr5 plus HBr. And finally, when C2HBr5 treated with Br2, again last hydrogen will replace by bromine to form C2Br6 plus HBr. Its name is hexabromoethane. And here second type of reaction comes, that is combustion reaction. In excess air, here are 3 conditions. One, excess air given, next to limited supply of air, and last is very limited supply of air. If there is excess air, in combustion reaction oxygen is needed. If there is excess quantity of oxygen, products are CO2 and H2O. No matter what hydrocarbon is there, is it methane or ethane, any of the alkane gives CO2 and H2O. Rest you can balance. That I have uploaded the video for balancing equation. By that mean you can balance it. If there is limited supply of air, CO and H2O are formed. Remember that In excess air, CO2, H2O are formed. In limited supply of air, CO and H2O are formed. Oxygen is decreasing. Therefore, in limited supply, carbon monoxide is formed, which is a poisonous gas. And it takes place when you burn coal in closed room. Carbon monoxide can form, which is harmful for our life. CH4 in limited supply of air to form CO and H2O. And finally, C2H6, which is very limited supply of air to form coke and H2O. Any of the alkane you can take here. Here I have taken that CH4. You can also take C2H6, which is given in the board exam. C2H6 plus O2 again gives CO plus H2O. Only balancing will get changed. As in the same manner, you can take methane plus O2 in very limited supply of air, coke in a carbon and H2O form. These are the reaction of alkane which will come in board exam. Thank you for watching my video.